Hi guys, today we are going to show you how to make this delicious chocolate berry cake. You will need cream clay, chocolate deco sauce, some sweet deco. I have blueberries here, cherries, and strawberries. You will also need a round shaped cookie cutter, any size at your preference. To start, prepare brown clay to create a rich dark chocolate sponge cake look. This is a transparent acrylic board and a texture tool. Flatten the clay with acrylic board. Place the clay on top of a plastic cover to make it easy to come off later on. Cut the clay, then remove the extra clay and make 2 of these sponge cakes. You can then peel the air dry clay easily away from the plastic cover when it's done. Next, texture the clay surface to create realistic sponge cake look. Hold the cake gently, as the air dry clay when it's still wet, it's quite soft. Pipe the filling cream in. If you want the cream clay to look better, you can choose to use a piping tip. Take the cream right to the edge, then arrange the berries. You can leave the middle empty as it will not be seen. I'm arranging blueberries and strawberries here. Fill the middle with some clay or more cream to cover the gap. The cream will work as glue here to stick the 2 sponge cake together. The next thing, we are going to just get the other sponge cake here and sandwich them together. Let it sit and dry for 2 hours to avoid deco sauce soaking in the air dry clay. When it's done, then you can glaze the cake by squeezing the chocolate deco sauce on. They are looking super chocolatey, just let the chocolate go. As soon as you are done, you can arrange more beautiful berries and decorate them on the cake. Look at the finishing texture, I can almost taste it already. Let dry for 2 days and you can make this into a keychain or simply as it is. It's so yummy to look at. Please like, share and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you and bye bye!